Well, hello, all you outdoor wicked adventurers. Welcome back to Texas. We are getting ready to head to Houston so I could check out that Houston Fishing Expo and meet up with Malorie. Jeremy might fish around there for a bit, but first of all, I've got to get some dinner started in the crock pot so it's ready when I'm finished with that expo. And I also want to prep some other stuff for the rest of the weekend. But I kind of forgot what we have. It's been a minute because we ended up catching dinner yesterday, so. I think I'm gonna get, I knew we had a ham. So I think I'm going to get the ham going in the crock pot. I have this awesome trash can back here, but I think I'm gonna pull the trash bag out. All right, guys, I'm gonna get the ham going in the crock pot, and then we're gonna see what else is in there to prep.
There's a butt, a ham butt. Need a bigger crock pot.
And a bigger adapter.
Oh no.
One way or another.
We're gonna squish you in this crock pot.
You're gonna fit, dang it.
I feel like they need anything this time of year.
What? I thought it was like, I feel like it's like opposite. I feel like fish eat whatever when there's like less. I feel like when they have more to eat, then they can be picky. Right?
I ain't about what they have to eat. It's about the weather.
You think in the summer they eat, ah! Drip edge, drip edge. There we go. Saved it. Okay. I'm just pouring the rest of the seasoning in the hole that I created.
Jam that in there.
Well, it fit.
Like a fat guy in skinny jeans.
Knock your shit off.
So, Alyssa just got the crock pot going. And we actually have the cooler fridge on this trip.
Love it.
And we left Wednesday. It's Friday.
That's right.
We still have 88% battery.
Oh, that's so awesome.
The redodo's doing good for us. We're wondering how it'd do on a longer trip, so.
And we, like
updated.
we said, left Wednesday. It's been running that thing the entire time.
Yep.
Just plugged in the crock pot. Charging our phones, GoPro batteries, all the things. It's pretty good.
Yeah. We're not worrying about. The fridge is on eco mode, so it keeps the food between 38 and 42 degrees, so everything's going smooth. And
check out redodo.
Now we got food cooking. OWA 6. Get your discount.
Don't be a dodo. Check out redodo. Sausage patties. See? I already forgot we have those. I'm going to cut those up too for what? Omelets tomorrow. Now we have cut up asparagus for something. And broccoli for something. We'll probably do asparagus tonight because broccoli was yesterday. What's this? Dano's garlic chicken.
Primo.
Last but not least, Mayday! Teriyaki chicken. Oh my gosh, these skewers are so freaking good. I can't wait to have them. But we need to be able to grill without so much wind. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna load up and we're gonna head to the Houston Fishing Show. Let's see what they have. And we're in, yes, the world's largest jetty. It's located in Texas City. So, Texas City Dike. We are headed to Houston. So we have like an hour.
An hour and 10.
It's like an hour and 10 minutes to head to Houston to go meet up with Malorie and see what this Houston Fishing Expo is all about. So let's drive and drive and drive some more. Houston, here we come. This ship that's the wake. We ain't chasing the sunset no more. We're chasing the waves.
You boogie board that.
That's crazy, man.
You boogie.
Like, insane crazy. Wow. That's crazy. All right, guys, we are getting ready to go into the Houston Fishing Expo. I talked Jeremy into going with me.
Yep,
Thank you so much. Oh. So we have our tickets. Thank you. Hi! We finally made it! We made it!
There's so mixed up out here. So many people. It's awesome.
I know, that's why I'm like, oh, you smell good.
Hi,
I'm like, what?
Nice to meet you in person, finally.
Oh,
You guys are live just so you know.
I forgot you've never met.
Yes,
Jeremy's
not
the one
in
who
person.
deals with
I met
me.
this girl right here. Yep, when she was bringing them reds.
Oh my god.
The dice
Yes,
pen.
let's go see what's happening.
Are your black drum? That was a nice one.
so
How was the
fun?
fight? Okay, and y'all got some sheephead too, right?
Yeah, we caught
Oh
one
my
big
gosh, we
one.
caught one.
That's so good eating. They're so yummy. Oh, you guys ate it already? They're so yummy, right? Oh, one of my favorites.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
She has a page as well. She goes out.
Yeah, yes. We love Texas. We're from Nebraska.
Oh, really?
This is our favorite state to fish. Yeah. Yeah. The Outdoor Wicked Adventure. Yes. Yeah.
Texas. We tried to make it cold for you.
Oh my gosh. We,
Yeah.
So they've been just
So- nice meeting you.
are really good. That voodoo shrimp, if you walk it on the bottom, you can get flounder, you can get reds with it, or if you kind of bring it up more and just kind of jerk it, then you can get some trout as well. Sounds good.
To meet you in person. Nice to meet you. So we're from Nebraska. Yes.
I was gonna get one of those things for my neck, and he told me I was gonna look stupid.
I just got used to it. I'm like, everyone has to deal with me. What you made?
Yeah, my
I was like, Jeremy, Malorie has kangaroo balls from Australia.
I do. I brought back in
I'm working on
So
a
are you gonna go
battle
fish
hide right
the
now.
dike tonight? Or are you going to? Are you tired?
Dude, I want to fish.
Are we fishing the dike tonight?
Let's fish tonight. I'll maybe farther from the convention center, but I'm closer to you.
Oh my gosh, no, because we're gonna go fishing tonight.
Yes, I was
I have ham in it.
Y'all take you guys go back to the same time. Y'all go stay at my booth. Yeah.
Lots going on. I have so much to learn about salt water.
You know these people?
You have samples of jerky? Which one would be like our? Oh, it's like wild game. There's the elk one. Have you ever tried elk?
No.
Then I feel like I should buy you a pack. I'm gonna try the elk.
You see anything you want to try?
Can we try the elk, please?
Yeah.
The elk stick over there.
I don't want it to fall.
Thank you so much. Oh, I like that texture a lot.
I like that.
Thank you so much. Oh, perfect.
Every day or every week, I was like, oh, the new episode's out. The new episode's out. Thank you so much. And I was like, yo, that's that girl from Naked and Afraid. I'm like, I'm so good a fangirl.
Thank you. You're like, I don't recognize her with clothes on.
there's some over there too.
Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. Happy Valentine's
That way. Okay, so we'll see you guys later. Enjoy dinner.
Okay, see you in a bit.
Yes, I'll text you. I'll like send you the pin.
I'm ready to go fishing.
Girl. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. What did you think?
It was cool.
It was neat. It was something. It was set up really nice. That was like probably one of the more organized events. Ooh. You said Houston is the home of NASA? Hey. Let's go find aliens in the ocean, babe. Okay. We're leaving the city because it's so scary. We need it. That was cool though. There's a lot. Yeah, there's a lot more stuff that is scary. Scary. But now we get to go fish some more, and the ham smells freaking awesome. Oh my gosh. So, all right, we are gonna go head back to the Dike, you guys, and get dinner and fishing rods out. Well, we're back on the Dike that we were at the rest of the time. It is almost eerie, but I like it. Well, we're fishing, like we're doing all the things. It's just foggy, but it's also warmer.
So the bait shop sold me live crabs, and now they're everywhere in my box because they escaped the bag they put them in. There's one way over there. I know that. I seen him. Looks like majority of them have stayed right here. Oh well. Guess we'll get them cleaned up since I have a crab infestation.
All right, guys. Jeremy's out there getting some rods set up. I'm recovering my knee from my little tumble I took earlier. Ham is... can't even see it. It's in there, staying warm. Didn't feel like pulling the grill out because we're still on the Dike. It's so windy. Tomorrow's gonna be awesome. We're gonna like cook so many meals, but so yeah, being lazy. I'll show you guys better when I have more light. But those are carrots, steamable carrots. They're steaming in the bag up at the car. And I took the ham out of the crock pot, and now I have my baked beans going. Yep. I got the easy job right now. Jeremy's got the hard job. The baked beans took a tumble.
They looked good.
Bam. A couple more.
Yeah, that should be good.
They're like little pieces. So.
Perfect.
I just took the rest of the ham. No, I'll wrap it up.
That's really good though.
That's perfect. Then we'll watch rods. Watch rods. Waiting on Malorie to get here. We're gonna try and catch some fish.
I'm pretty sure that shrimp rod don't have shrimp on it. It went down.
It went down.
Mm-hmm.
Now the shrimp's gone. Because they like to eat the head off. We're gonna finish dinner. And then probably check this shrimpy rod. Malorie just made it. She's getting warm clothes on because it's cold. Actually, it's the warmest it's been the whole time we've been here, but the wind. And then she's gonna get her rods out. And then we're hopefully gonna catch a fish. Little update, you guys. It is 2:17 a.m. but we're still fishing. We are hopeful and optimistic, and Malorie decided to just stay the night here at the Dike with us in hopes that we will all catch fish soon, perhaps. So hopefully I just cleaned up all of the rest of our dinner and prepped dinner for tomorrow. So let's get back to fishing.
Careful, don't let that poke you. What is it? Oh no, it's not. It's not. It's a whiting. It's a whiting.
What is that?
A whiting? No,
Really?
So whitings you can use for bait if you want.
Oh.
Not bait. If you want. But yeah, it's a whiting.
Oh, dang. What do you think, babe? Or you want to throw it back?
Would you like to turn back?
You
You want to take a picture of that? Oh!
We'll get a screenshot. We'll get a screen grab. Yay! But there's a
Butterfinger, yes! A whiting!
a whiting. That's awesome. You want to see my current view? From my bed in the car. Let me show you. Just a little Jay's Waits dingleberry in your face while you're going to bed. And it's past 3 a.m. Alright, so we had a major oldie party and stayed up super late. And now it's like 3:30 in the morning, and you can't see Malorie because we have these super sweet car covers Jeremy made. But she's in her car sleeping by us, next to us. And I don't know, I'm delirious because this is way past my bedtime. Way past my bedtime, so. Alright, we're gonna get to bed and then restart it in the morning. After we're gonna put ours. I'm gonna just go sing lullabies to my dingleberry. Good night.
Slim Shady.
Yeah. Beautiful.